In this video, I am going to show you how to create an employee reimbursement request in Chrome River. The request begins in Chrome River, and once fully approved in the application, the information is fed to Banner. The employee will be paid through direct deposit if they have set up accounts payable information in Vandal Web. You may wish to view a separate video that shows you how to set up direct deposit for accounts payable. Please note, the payroll department direct deposit is a separate election. If direct deposit has not been set up for accounts payable, Banner will default to check payment. In order to set up the correct accounts payable address, you will need to email accounts payable. If you fail to set up an accounts payable address, the check send to address will default to the accounts payable office. You will need to log into the Chrome River application to access the dashboard. Start at the University of Idaho Enterprise Applications page and click on the Chrome River portal. Select the plus New Expense Report button from the toolbar. You will need to fill out each section of the form. For the report name, enter a descriptive name or use your department's naming convention. Pay Me In is locked to US dollars. For report type, select non-travel expenses. In the business purpose section, enter the reason for the expense report. Select the appropriate GL approver. Select Save. Now you will need to add expenses to the expense report. Select Create New from the left sidebar. Select the appropriate tile and fill out the appropriate information. Type the vendor name and the account code. In the Banner Index section, choose the correct one from the drop-down menu or start typing the name of the account number to filter the list. Next, you will need to add an attachment. Click the Add Attachment button. You may choose to upload a receipt from the gallery or directly from your computer. Select Save. You may review your transactions on the left side of the screen. If needed, you may edit or delete the line item. Notice the total pay me amount. If this were a UIP card transaction, the total pay me amount would be 0. In this case, I paid with personal funds and I'm requesting reimbursement. If everything looks correct, click Submit. You will be asked to certify that all the expenses are true and correct. Select Submit again. The report will now route to the appropriate approvers. To track a submitted report, let's navigate to Submitted Reports. On the Chrome River dashboard, there is an Expenses ribbon on the left side. Select the Submitted section. Select the expense report you would like to track. Click the Tracking button from the top right. Select an expense from the report. You can click on each step in the Routing Steps section to view more information on the approval process for that step. If you need to recall a report, navigate back to the Expense Report title page. Click the Recall button from the top right menu. Select Yes. The report will be moved back to the draft list. This concludes the employee non-travel reimbursement tutorial.